Hey guys, Rockwell Williams here. I'm so happy that you guys have selected me for a call back. I'm extremely excited. Hopefully I will be able to progress along in the competition so I can really show you what I can do and why I deserve to be here. For starters, I'm 26 years old. I'm a college graduate. I currently do not have any children. I'm from Fort Wayne, Indiana. I come from a very large family, very close-knit family. Everyone in my family sings. We're all singers, and I've been singing since I was a kid. Since I could talk, I've been singing practically since the age of 6. Singing is my life. It's what I do. I do it on a daily basis. Every opportunity I can get to do it, that is what I'm doing. I'm extremely involved in my community. I teach dance at my local church. I also play in a volleyball league here in town with a lot of colleagues of mine. I work at Lincoln Financial Group in their brokerage firm. I've been there about a year, and so I'm extremely excited to be a part of that team as well. So hopefully you guys are enjoying what you're seeing so far, and you will like me enough to invite me back. Thank you.